You are going to love the 2007 Milan. All Milan models offer abundant space and the latest in technology. The standard 2.5-liter 16V Duratec i4 engine is a gas miser, delivering up to 34 miles per gallon highway, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, engine immobilizer, FWD, remote trunk release, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires, front performance, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.